Today I'm going to show how to quickly and easily copy and paste um, an email announcement or anything with images and text into a as a Facebook post. Here I am on my the Region 1 practitioner group in Facebook, and I want to copy and paste this announcement for the diversity and inclusion diversity, equity, inclusion committee as a post, because it's something that will occur early next week. So I start by just copying and pasting. Let's see here, Control copy and pasting, Control V this into a new post on Facebook. I copy and paste these things. And by the way I'm copying and pasting is simply going over here, highlighting what I want to copy and paste. On my PC, I'm using Control C to do the copy, and then I come over here and paste, and then just realign things a little bit. I want to copy and paste the link, the register here link, which they don't make very easy for you to do because it's encased in an image. So what I'm going to do to make it easier to copy and paste some of the other elements in this email is I'm going to reply. And by replying, it just pops up email in a different way and makes it easier for me to do this. So what I'm doing here is I'm right-clicking this. I'm copying the hyperlink, and then I'm going to copy and paste the hyperlink into a new browser page, and that gives me the link that I can then highlight, copy, and paste into my post. Because you see, if I copy the link, the hyperlink, I don't think it really, does it paste? It doesn't really paste well. It doesn't paste the link if I just do a copy and paste of the image. And so I come back down here, I copy the text, the conversation, the spiritual community, copy, 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 clean it up a little bit, up a little bit, up a little bit. And I'll clean the rest of that up in just a little bit. I don't need that. This doesn't need to be there. And so here I am. I want to copy and paste this image into my email, and this is the meat of it. I'm hovering my cursor, my mouse over this. I right-click on the image. I copy the image, come back over to my post, and Control V, and there's the image. I finish up by just keeping the rest of it, copying and pasting the text so we know who they are. And there it is. That's how you, much more quickly than me talking about it. Bring that up. Bring that up. Bring that up. Everything looks good. And so I'm just going to do a little bit of what we call HTML I'm going to make that a header, H1. I'm going to make this a headline 2, header 2, and then I'm good to post. And there you go. There you have the entire post.